Hi everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 3rd June 2022 and we're going to look at the top trends, price action and top news of cryptocurrency market. And to learn more about the top gainers of the day, stick till the end of this video. Now let's go ahead with the market cap. So the global crypto market cap traded at $1.2 trillion and was down by 1.6%. Several currencies were recovering from the fall. So let's look at the top crypto tokens. Bitcoin, which was down by 5% yesterday, traded at $29,000 with 0.6% drop in last 24 hours. And on the weekly charts, it was up by close to 3%. Ethereum traded at $1,700 with a decline of 3.5% in last 24 hours and 0.7% in the weekly charts. Tether saw an incline and traded at $1, while on the other hand, USD coin saw a minor decrease of 0.02% and traded at $1. BNB token traded at close to $300 with a drop of 2%, while on the weekly chart it was down by 1%. Now let's look at some altcoins. Cardano saw a drop in its price by close to 4% and traded at $0.5. And it was up by 19% in the weekly charts. Binance USD traded at $1 with a minor growth, and Solana, which yesterday was down by 11%, traded at 38 today with a decline of close to 5%, and weekly it was down by 8%. Doge and Polkadot both were traded low by 1% in last 24 hours. Meanwhile, wrapped Bitcoin traded at $29,000 with a drop of 0.6% in last 24 hours. Avalanche, on the other hand, declined in the charts and traded at $23, and Tron also saw a decline of close to 2% in the last 24 hours and traded at $0.08. Now let's go ahead with the top news of the day and let's look at the state where there might be a possibility of banning Bitcoin mining. Yes. So New York passed a bill to ban a certain Bitcoin mining operations that run on carbon-based power sources. Lawmakers in the state passed a bill to address the growing concerns about the environmental impact of energy-extensive blockchain operations, including Bitcoin mining. The bill is now headed to the governor, wherein if the bill passes, it would make the New York first state in the country to ban blockchain technology infrastructure. Now this bill is very crucial for crypto markets because when China banned mining in 2020, prices were affected severely, and it remains to be seen what will happen now. Next, the first continent which adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender takes a step ahead and announces a plan to tokenize minerals as well. So Central African Republic, which possesses minerals deposit like petroleum, diamonds, copper and gold and others, in their news release stated that the government will offer tokenized access to mineral resources to crypto and digital assets project that establish a presence in a country. Zuckerberg's Meta attracts $177 investment from the government of South Korea. This comes after the government plans to gain competitive advantage over its international competitors of Metaverse ecosystem and develop its initiative that could push companies to provide jobs and create hundreds of businesses around Metaverse. Now let's talk about the top gainers and let's start from Internet Computer, which saw a jump of 5% in last 24 hours and traded at $8 and leaded gainers by over 12% price surge in the weekly charts. Bitcoin SV, also known as BSV, traded at $54 with an incline of 3% in last 24 hours and 11% in last 7 days. While Stellar saw a jump of 16% in weekly charts, it traded at $0.1 and with an increase of 2% in last 24 hours. Pax Gold traded close to $2 with an increase of 5.5%, and IOTA, which traded at $0.3, inclined by 0.3% in last 24 hours. Next we have Neutrino, which traded at almost $1 and was up by close to 2%. On the other hand, Binance USD saw an incline of 0.01% and traded at $1. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. So if you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.